spots.
I'm not covered in purple spots.
Here, look.
I'm covered in purple spots.
And look, they're the same color as my pom-pom berries. Pom-pom yummy yummy. Pom-pom yummy yummy.
Ooh, I wonder if these are spots from where the pom-pom berries hit me. They are. Oh no! Everyone, I have something to tell you. Listen, please.
What do you want to tell us?
I forgot what I was going to say.
What's that strange sound?
My tummy.
Is that funny?
Your stomach hurts and you're covered in purple spots. All those things